Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my new team member and how I was able to get him to join my team and what I plan to do about it.
Alright Tony, so what made you get a new employee or a new team member?
So I've been looking for someone for like a pretty long time already. And I just wasn't exactly too sure. Like, I've had a lot of other people hit me up to try to like work with me. But I don't know, I was really like iffy on them, so I didn't really go for it. And then I've been lately, like this year, 2022 has been pretty well. Business-wise, been pretty busy for the most part. Literally, the only bad parts are like mostly like the weather and like those type of things. But when the weather is good, I'm usually able to book out like at least like a week ahead and stuff, especially when I'm by myself. So I was starting to overbook myself, like just me by myself. I would book out all 6-7 days, and it was starting to burn me out pretty quick. So adding someone to my team really helps like put less wear and tear on myself, and then we're also able to fit in more cars and be less like booked out like further ahead. So instead of being like 2 weeks booked out or something, we could like book more people in sooner, and then I also don't feel as tired or stressed out when I'm done with my days.
So Tony, where'd you find Joseph?
So, funny thing is, I hired a friend, another friend who's a detailer from LA, Alvarez Detailing, and Joseph was working with Sal, the owner of Alvarez Detailing, and at the moment, Sal is like, he has school, so it's hard for him to get Joseph like every single day, like full-time job basically. So I hired Sal to detail my van while I was at a client's house detailing my client's vehicles, and because my van was like super dirty, it needed a detail bad, especially the outside. That's what I was like mainly concerned about. It was like, it's been like a month since I washed it and whatnot. And so after they got done with the detail, I was still trying to finish up my two clients' cars, and I asked them if they could help me out with my clients' cars to knock them out, because it was my last two of the day, and I was like super tired and burnt out. And they're like, yeah, they helped me out, and then we went to In-N-Out after, and we were talking for a bit, and then that's when I found out like Joseph was looking for like a full-time job, and he was actually about to join like a pizza place, but he didn't want to. So I told him, I was like, hey, if you're down, I'll hire you, and just, you don't have to go to that pizza place, and I'll get you full-time. So that's basically like how we went about it. I didn't really interview him. I just kind of like told him if he's down, I'm down. And today was basically like his interview or whatnot. It was his first day today on the job.
Tony, can you explain how you plan to train him, or does it need any training?
I don't really necessarily like. There's like just a few like things that here and there that like I'll probably like recommend and like see like for him to follow like my type of style of detailing. Today we only got to do like maintenance type of details, so there wasn't like a lot that he needed to be training on. He already knows for the most part probably like 80 to 90% of the stuff. There's just a few things here and there that like I would tell him about, but like for the main part, I think I don't know how well he knows like other stuff about detailing yet, because we haven't really worked together on like bigger packages, like let's say level 1, level 2s, polishing, whatnot, ceramic coatings. But in the future, I'll like just show him how I do my type of detailing, and basically train him like in that way.
So Tony, what do you think is the biggest struggle when training someone?
It really depends on the person, but for the most part, I feel like a biggest struggle is like for me at least, is like being patient with like not expecting them to like learn it or get it like right away, like 100%. Like it takes time. That's about it.
So Tony, have you had employees before?
Yeah, I've had like 3 with Joseph, but 2 before Joseph.
How did that go with the 2 before?
Pretty well. Yeah, not too bad. It was temporary, but it didn't go too bad. I'm hoping Joseph can stick for the long term. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, well there you have it. That's my new team member, Joseph. Let me know in the comments down below, have you guys hired anyone recently, and how do you guys go about hiring people? And also remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.